Do you know what is it? This video will introduce some of the inspection standards for rocker switches. Number 1. Appearance. There should be no burrs, cracks, scratches, and other losses on the surface of the product. The metal insert of the rocker switch should not be oxidized, rusted, stained, etc. Number 2. Structural dimensions. The overall structure size and installation size should meet the sample requirements and the requirements of the specification. Number 3. Mechanical strength. Okay, this is all for today. See you next time. Bye!